Hi guys, and welcome yet to another video of SEPA channel. Today we will have an unboxing of Samsung Galaxy Tab A11 Plus, 256 gigabytes, 8 gigabytes of RAM, and it is 5G. Let's proceed with the unboxing. So the tablet, it comes exactly in this box. Rip this apart. And in this very big chunky box you'll have another box which show the name of the tablet. So Galaxy Tab A11 Plus 5G, as I said. I wonder if it says anything here. Yeah, so it says 8 gigabyte of RAM, 256 gray, made in Vietnam apparently. So it is the correct one. Now it has this, not sure how to open it, but I guess it just let's see if that worked. Very complicated to open it actually. I'm not doing very well, am I? Yay! Okay. Let's see. The box is now empty. And in the box obviously have the tablet, which is in this weird stuff. Anyway, we'll put this aside for now. And in the box we still have this stuff, which is a cable and a quick start guide, and also that pin so you can remove the SIM tray. I guess this stream it's only if it's 5G, otherwise it won't be here. So this is the standard cable. Okay, going back to the tablet, looks like this. Let's see how we can, I guess you have no other way to unboxing apart from actually ripping all this stuff. And it looks like this. So at the bottom we have the charging port, we have the mic port, and I mean it's not a port but it's a mic hole, and these are the speakers. And surprisingly, in 2026 we still have the 3.5mm jack. Here we have a slot. I reckon it's the SIM tray, and also you can add a storage card, micro SD. On this part you have the sound, and here you have the on, most probably another mic, so you will be able to cancel the noise. I mean, not you, but the tablet, you get my point. So let's start it. So it starts. Galaxy, Samsung Galaxy. Takes a while. It has 59% battery. And I guess that's it. So from this point you will have to configure your tablet. Thank you for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so. We know that liking our video will definitely boost the channel, so please do that as well. Cheers.